Pahal Solar commences Bhumi Pujan for AI-integrated 2GW solar cell and 2GW aluminium frame manufacturing expansion in Surat, Gujarat. Pahal Solar accelerates vertical integration with a new 2GW solar cell and 2GW aluminium frame plant in Surat, Gujarat, reinforcing India's vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat in clean energy. Company accelerates vertical integration to power Atmanirbhar Bharat in renewable manufacturing, Surat, Gujarat. In a defining stride toward India's clean energy self-reliance, Pahal Solar Private Limited, one of the nation's fastest-growing solar energy manufacturers, recently held the Bhumi Pujan ceremony for its ambitious new manufacturing complex featuring a 2GW solar cell plant and a 2GW aluminium frame production facility in Surat on the 27 October 2025. This landmark investment represents a monumental step in Pahal Solar's journey toward full vertical integration and advanced automation. The upcoming facilities, equipped with AI-based precision and analytic systems, will enhance manufacturing efficiency, consistency, and product quality, setting new benchmarks for the Indian solar industry. At present, Pahal Solar's operational capabilities encompass an impressive 4 GW of solar module production capacity and 2 GW of ribbon and busbar manufacturing. The company is undertaking strategic infrastructure upgrades to enhance its total installed capacity to 4.4 GW within the ongoing financial year. Addressing the event, Mr. Paresh Shingala, chairman and founder of Pahal Solar Private Limited, conveyed, "This investment not only strengthens our manufacturing capabilities, but also demonstrates our long-term confidence in India's renewable future and commitment to making the nation a global hub for solar innovation." Mr. Manish Shingala, director, emphasized, "Our new facilities integrate AI-driven precision systems, ensuring world-class quality, accuracy, and performance that aligned with international benchmarks." Highlighting business momentum, Mr. Nitin Barvalia, vice president, stated, "Pahal Solar enjoys a strong order book and ongoing partnerships has consistently upheld reliability and timely delivery. This expansion further strengthens our promise to deliver high-performing solar solutions with speed, precision, and trust." The upcoming 2GW solar cell and 2GW frame manufacturing units are expected to be fully commissioned by late 2026, marking a new milestone in India's rapidly advancing solar manufacturing landscape under the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. For further details, visit www.pahalsolar.com or write to info@pahalsolar.com. Book now, 8317-04505.